Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can create an account on Bereal. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps properly. And here we go. So first of all, open up your Play Store on your device and search for Bereal in the search bar. Download this application that pops up at the top. After installing, open it up and tap on continue. Then it will ask you to enter your name. After typing in it, add your birthday and click on continue. After that, it will ask you to enter your number. Enter your number and a text message with a code will be sent on it. You can also change the country code by tapping at the country flag at the left side. After entering the code, enter the username you want everyone to see and continue. And after that, it will ask you to invite friends, but you can just skip it using the skip button at the top right corner. Also allow the notification for it so that you may be able to see when it sends you a picture notification. Now click a photo and send it to your friend. You can see your friend's Bereal on this tab, and if you go to Discover tab, you'll be able to see public Bereals. You can also check the pictures you send by going to your profile on the top right corner, and you are done. That's how you can create an account on Bereal. Hope you liked the video. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.